If it wasn't for TG4, I wouldn't have won Best Actress in Cén Fáth. It was a big thing at that age to be winning. I'd won some Feshkio medals and stuff, but because it was a festival in Italy, it felt like a whole other level of competing. Then I went from being someone that people knew who acted to being like the actor in the school. When I went to my guidance counsellor to say I'm thinking of doing performance, I was completely fully supported by him, by my head teacher. Even though following this type of path seems like a mad thing to do, you feel like, well, maybe actually I can do this. So now I'm working on a web series called The Long Dark Twenties, and that's a comedy series that I'm co-writing and performing in with two filmmakers called Kevin Handy and Luke Benson.
What's a built-in diner?
I think that it was Cén Fáth that planted the seed for what it is to act in front of the camera, and I want more of it, but I also want to write the work, so that's where I am now. Lo brachana TG4.